Whirlpool, in its constant pursuit of improving life at home, is committed to bring world-class products to our consumers. Designed for Indian consumer needs and tough Indian conditions, the world-class front-load Whirlpool washing machines are built in the state-of-the-art new facility at Puducherry. Manufacturing commences with the creation of the cabinet. This completely automated system, powered by robots, ensure high level of precision and robust cabinet quality. The fully automated drumline powered by high-precision plasma welding ensures high durability and safety. To prevent moisture from affecting the PCB and to protect from insect entry, a special conformal coating is applied on the PCB and it is further enclosed in protective mesh covering. The machine is designed to withstand rusting. The pre-coated metal sheets are tested for 500 hours in a salt spray chamber to check for corrosion, and the whole machine is also tested for water protection through the rain shower test. Critical components like the suspension system are coated with a protective nickel layer to prevent corrosion in humid environments. Every machine goes through stringent final tests to ensure that it is free of defects. The fully automated test system performs 70 checks on the electronics, the mechanical functioning, and for noise and vibration. Only 100% error-free products are allowed to be packed for dispatch. To ensure the machines reach dent and damage-free to our consumers, robust high-strength packaging is used. This is rigorously tested for impact and extreme handling conditions. Advanced technologies, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and rigorous quality standards ensure that the Whirlpool front-load washing machine are not just built, but built to last.